Hey everyone, welcome back. But if it's your first time here, then it's just welcome. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Let's get started. Today, Madam Glam has sent me a beautiful Christmas gel collection called The House of Reflection. I think it fits on how well it reflects the Christmas spirit. With 8 beautiful gel polishes, we have all the festive colors we need. We have green, we have red, we have blue, we have gold, we have silver, and we also have some other glitters. So, as I'm showing you guys, we're going to jump right to it like we always do. Madam Glam just never goes wrong with the lovely colors and the beautiful names that go with it. If you're reading the names as I'm showing them to you, I feel like they catch the vibe of the whole thing. Now this red kind of threw me off because it looked at brown on the label, but if you look at the top of the thing, the swatch, it's red. So when I go ahead and swatch these, you'll be able to see the true colors. I do not edit these videos, so they're always the true colors of what these gel polishes are. I cannot wait to create some beautiful nail art with these. Like, soon as I seen this, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make all kind of holiday trees with this color. I have so many ideas in store for you guys for this package. It just lit me up when I seen it. So I can't wait to show you guys the designs. So do not forget to come back tomorrow to see the beautiful designs I created with these beautiful colors. So I do want to go ahead and point out when I am swatching them, I'm going to have the names at the bottom of the screen because I forgot to turn them over all of them like I usually do, and I already kind of showed you guys the name. So I'm just gonna have the name in the left of the corner of the screen of the one that I'm swatching. Everything is linked in my descriptions of my YouTube, so you can easily find these gel colors on their website.